here's my breakfast. Hello. So, I haven't recorded a lot today because my camera died earlier, but nothing really exciting happened because I just cleaned. So now Lawrence and I are going to my aunt's house and maybe something fun will happen. Right, love? Yeah. So here are some of my goodies that I've cooked up. The remaining gingerbread family. The others have like missing limbs and stuff by now. And then these are yummy. They're like chocolate and peanut butter on a sugar cookie. And then these are like cream cheese Danish type things. Yep, I've been a busy elf.
And then I'm happy I sold it, got rid of it. And the girl who took it, you know, is a friend of mine, so I gave her a deal. I was just glad that I wasn't getting any bites.